Guys, you are welcome to Gentle Media. In this very video, I will be sharing to you how to make 100 USDT from a USDT mining app. And in this very video, I will be digging deep on what this app is, what it is based on, how it works, and how to make 100 USDT from it. I will be leaving no stone unturned in this app. Before we proceed with this video, on this my channel, I'll be sharing legit and free tips to make money online with just your phone and a good internet connection. So do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I release another video how to make money online with your phone, you'll be the first to notify by YouTube. So at the end of this video, if you are not in any of my WhatsApp or Telegram group, I'll be leaving the link to join my WhatsApp or Telegram group at the description and comment section of this video. So to join for more business tips, for more money making ideas, for help and support, join us by clicking the link in the description and comment section of this video. So let's dive in. The name of this app is called Bitcoin. What is BitToken? BitToken is a mobile app that lets users earn a digital token. Their main token is called BitToken or BTT. Just by completing tasks, engaging in content, watching ads, you accumulate reward points, which is called RP. This can be converted into tokens you might be able to sell or trade later. So how it works? Completing simple daily tasks. Just by completing simple daily tasks, as you can see, click on N. These are the daily tasks. Watching ads. You see, earn 1000 RP per ad watch, and there are 20 hours left. This is where you earn RP by task, and in here you earn RP by claiming your mind point here. So let me take you to the wallet section and show you something. So this is the RP balance, and everyone was 16th of every month. Everyone was 16th of every month. These RP are converted to BTT and are added to your balance, your main BTT balance, on which is on the right hand side, which you can sell through P2P or you can stake in order to make your balance to be more money. So to show you how to make 100 show you. So this BitToken platform are engaging in referral contest, like their referral competition, like they are distributing money to the people that invite the most in a week. As you can see, their referral contest. This they are Telegram based, their Telegram channel. As you can see, BitToken official. These are victory winners. You can see first position with 200 USDT, second position with 200 USDT, third position with 50 USDT, fourth position with 30 USDT, fifth position with 20 USDT. As you can see, one as well on, as you can see. So as you can see, and for the fourth week, which ended yesterday, and the users, the writers which writers will get their money yesterday. Yes, I can see. As you can see, congratulations to all the winners in the ongoing referral contest for the week 4. Yesterday, that week 4 ended, and these are the winners. So the first position will be getting 200 USDT, and the second will be getting 100 USDT. So, and if you want to get started with this app, and or you haven't heard anything about this app before, you want to get started, just click on the link in the description of this video on how to join this app. And if you don't know anything about this app, if you want to get started and you don't know how to register or how to get started, just tell me in the comment section so I can upload a video on how to register and how to create your account with them, so to start earning. So guys, bye for now, and thank you.